The hot deserts. Highlights of the lesson. Students will know about the location, animal life and natural resources. The life of the people of Saudi Arabia. One morning, on my way to school, I saw a number of vehicles on the road. I wondered, how long will these vehicles run? Will the petrol used in these vehicles last forever? I had too many thoughts and questions in my mind. When I reached school, I asked my teacher, and to my surprise, she said that she would be taking us through an interesting journey to the rich land of liquid gold. Let us learn more about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a large country situated in the Arabian Peninsula, the largest peninsula in the world. It lies between the Red Sea on the west and the Persian Gulf on the east. Its capital is Riyadh. It is also the biggest country in the Middle East. Other countries of this region include Iran, Iraq, Yemen, Syria, United Arab Emirates, Israel, Jordan, Palestine, Turkey, Lebanon, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain. Location. Saudi Arabia is located between latitudes 16 degrees and 33 degree N and longitudes 34 degrees and 56 degree E. The Tropic of Cancer, 2312 degree N, passes through the center of Saudi Arabia. It is bordered by Jordan and Iraq on the north and northeast. Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and United Arab Emirates border the east. Oman in the southeast and Yemen in the south. The Red Sea lies to its west, and the Persian Gulf lies to its east. Terrain. Saudi Arabia is a high rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. The desert regions have small hills of sand called sand dunes. Strong winds and dust storms blow the dry sand and shift these sand dunes from one place to another. 80% of the country is located in the Arabian Peninsula. It has a long coastline as well. Mountains can be found in the southwestern part of the country. The desert in southern Saudi Arabia is called Rub al-Khali, and the desert in the northern part is known as Nafud. Climate. Saudi Arabia has a hot and dry climate with very little rainfall. In fact, it is regarded as one of the hottest countries of the world. Most of the country is a desert with no lakes or rivers. The day temperature is very high, but at night, the temperature drops sharply. The average summer temperature is around 45 degrees Celsius, but it can get as high as 54 degrees Celsius. In winters, the temperature drops down to 0 degrees Celsius. The sharp change in daily average temperature happens because of the sandy terrain of the country. During the daytime, the sand heats up very fast, and that is why the daytime temperatures increase rapidly. During the night, the sand cools down relatively fast. That is why the night temperature decreases quickly. Sandstorms can be seen frequently in deserts. Plant life. Very few plants can grow in this desert climate. The plant life in Saudi Arabia consists mainly of shrubs and small herbs which require very little water. Such plants have long roots that penetrate deep into the soil for water. Their stems are also soft and fleshy. This helps them store water. Their leaves are just like thorns. This also prevents loss of water through evaporation. At some places in the desert, underground water rises to the surface, forming a fertile area called an oasis. Date palms and some crops such as wheat and barley are grown here. Not more than 2% of Saudi Arabia's land can be used for agriculture. This is because of the inadequate rainfall in this region. The climate is not favorable for agriculture. Animal life. The animal life in Saudi Arabia includes wolves, hyenas, baboons, sand rats, and hares. Birds include vultures, hawks, eagles, and falcons, jackals, and Arabian horses can be seen in the desert areas. While in the mountainous highlands, we can find wolves and hyenas. Several species of poisonous snakes are found in the desert, along with numerous types of lizards. A wide variety of marine life, hawksbill turtle, dolphins and crabs, are found in the Persian Gulf. Natural resources. The most important natural resource of Saudi Arabia is oil. The country has 20% of the global reserves of oil. In fact, oil also helps the country earn 40% of its revenue. Saudi Arabia also happens to be the biggest exporter of oil in the world. This is why oil is also known as liquid gold. Metals such as gold, silver, copper, and zinc can also be found here. Saudi Arabia also exports platinum, chrome, titanium, and precious stones. Economy and industry. Saudi Arabia is one of the richest countries of the world. This is because of the 4 rich deposits of petroleum in the country. The revenue earned by selling petroleum to other countries has been used to modernize cities like Riyadh and Jeddah. Several large industries have been set up in Saudi Arabia, like petroleum refineries, iron and steel, cement, and fertilizer plants. Religious importance. Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to visit Mecca and Medina, which are the most important pilgrim centers for all Muslims. This pilgrimage is called Hajj. Transport. Thanks to the development of petroleum industry, one can see a lot of good roads across the country. The country also has a railway line that connects the eastern seaports to the capital. There are international airports at Riyadh, Dhahran, and Jeddah. Do you know Bari Malik, standing at a height of 2,722 feet in Dubai, is the tallest man-made structure in the world. There are 900 apartments in the building. Life of the people. People in Saudi Arabia have to make do with oppressive climatic conditions like extreme variations in temperatures in a single day and lack of rainfall. Before the oil industry and other industries were set up, people led nomadic lives. Even now, there are several people who lead nomadic lives and rear goat, camel, and sheep. These people are known as Bedouins. People in Saudi Arabia speak Arabic, which is one of the several official languages of the United Nations. They travel around in groups, known as caravans. They move across the desert and set up camps near oases. Dress. People from this region wear loose and flowing garments which are suited to the desert climate. Men wear an ankle-length garment made of cotton or wool called thob. They cover their head with a ghutra, a plain white square cotton cloth which is held in place by a cord called eagle. The women wear a loose black ankle-length cloak called the abaya. Most women also cover their head and faces with a niqab. Cuisine. The national dish of Saudi Arabia is called kabsa, which consists of rice and meat. Some other popular dishes are shawarma and kebabs. Coffee, usually black, served piping hot in small cups, is the traditional drink. Let's recall. Most of Saudi Arabia is a hot and dry desert. Only some shrubs and herbs grow in the desert. Tropic of Cancer passes through Saudi Arabia. Only land around oasis is used for agriculture. Saudi Arabia is a rich country because of vast deposits of petroleum. Saudi Arabia has many modern cities. Mecca and Medina are its two important pilgrimage centers. Bedouins are the nomads of Saudi Arabia. They live in the desert and move in caravans. Glossary. Peninsula. An area of land surrounded by water on three sides. Gulf. A deep inlet of the sea almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. Oasis. A fertile spot in a desert where water is found. Revenue. The income that the government receives from taxes and other sources. Thob. An ankle-length garment, usually with long sleeves, similar to a robe, commonly worn in Arab countries. Ghutra. A traditional Arab headdress fashioned from a square cotton scarf, typically worn by Arab men. Abaya. A simple, loose overgarment, essentially a robe-like dress, worn by women in Saudi Arabia.